this.
She draws it, I cook it. My daughter draws these sketches and challenges me to make them. This is part 2 of the Hot Cheetos Jamaican Patty. 2 years ago, a viewer left a comment asking me to make Birria Jamaican Patties. At the time, I never got around to it. Fast forward to today, I had leftover red dough from a previous video and my cousin's birthday was coming up. So I figured this was the perfect excuse to finally make it happen. Now my late great aunt taught me how to make traditional Jamaican patties, and trust me, this recipe is anything but traditional. So if you're Jamaican and you're vexed watching this, just give me the chance.
Here's the leftover dough from the previous video. This one's for my cousin because this one will not have any cheese inside. My cousin can't handle cheese because, you know, she's soft.
A while back I went through a serious birria phase. I'm talking birria tacos, birria pizza, todo mi comida tienes birria. I was eating it almost every day for a month. Then I had a crazy thought. What if I replaced the traditional patty filling with slow cooked beef birria and melty Oaxaca cheese? My Jamaican roots was telling me no, but my body and taste buds was telling me yes.
You got your Oaxaca? Cheese birria empanada. Birria cheese empanada.
The flaky Jamaican patty dough, the spicy beef birria, the Oaxaca cheese, and a side of consomme for dipping. If this is a dream, do not wake me up.
Get the taste test the birria empanadas that I made. And these are without cheese because some people in the comments were talking, you know, she can handle cheese, so she's soft for not handling cheese. But I said she's not soft. I had to defend my cousin. She's not soft just because she's lactose intolerant. She's weak.
That's just weird. It's awesome.
Excellent.